Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ATS format CV. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS, are software programs that scan and filter job applications. Understanding how these systems work is vital for your job search success. We will cover key strategies to ensure your CV is easily read and parsed by these systems, increasing your chances of landing an interview. Let's dive into the essentials. For optimal ATS readability, always opt for a simple, chronological layout. Steer clear of intricate designs, graphics, or embedded text boxes, as these can confuse the system. Stick to widely recognized fonts such as Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman, typically in a size between 10 and 12 points. Consistency in your formatting, including margins and spacing, is absolutely key for a smooth scan. Keyword optimization is paramount for an ATS-friendly CV. Carefully review job descriptions to identify the most important terms and phrases. Then, integrate these keywords naturally throughout your CV, especially in your professional summary, experience, and skills sections. Aim for a keyword density that feels organic, typically around 2 to 3%, ensuring your document aligns closely with the job requirements without overstuffing. Finally, focus on clear content and structure. Use standard section headings such as professional experience, education, and skills. Detail your achievements using strong action verbs and quantify your impact with specific numbers, like increasing sales by 15% or managing a team of 5. Always proofread your entire CV multiple times to eliminate any typos or grammatical errors, ensuring a polished and professional presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.